It's time to visit Jim's creepy house of horrors. Ooh. Got some scariness right there. Whew. Got the skeletons. See if they're gonna fire up. I guess not. Not sure why they're not firing up. Oh, there we go. Ooh, zombies. Ooh, yeah. Zombies trying to get out. That's not good. There's Grim and his decrepit brother. Had some problems with him. Ooh, hey. Got the heads in the bushes. That's terrifying. Ooh, creepy kid. Think he's trick-or-treating? I don't know. Ooh. That's, yeah. What's going on over here? We're having a party. Pumpkin party. Cool. Enjoy.